Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, sir.
My name is Sokoni Solomon Nuni, teacher of Kakamega High School. I'm going to present to you an ASEI lesson plan ICT integrated. In our last in our last lesson, we looked at the parts of a vernier caliper and their use. Will one of us remind us the parts and their use, and you even demonstrate to us using that test tube? Yes, can you go ahead?
Okay.
Yellow, yes.
The external jaws are used to measure the external diameter.
Show the class.
The external jaws are used to measure the external diameter, while the internal jaws, these ones, are used to measure the internal diameter. Then we have the stem, the long one. We use it to measure the depth of the cylinder.
That is good. And we also looked at the reading of the vernier scale. How do we read a vernier scale? Mombasa.
First when you put your object in the juice, you look at the zero mark of the vernier scale where it points on the main scale. Then you look at another mark on the vernier scale where it coincides with the mark on the main scale. Then you add and get the total. That is the reading of it.
That is very good explanation. Please, I have a sample of a vernier scale here. Will you read it quickly and give me the value? Main scale. Yeah, go on.
The main scale is 1.20 centimeters.
1.20 centimeters. Anyone to confirm? Is he right, Otieno?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, what is the final reading? At the back, Kitili.
The vernier reading is 0.03 centimeters.
Pardon?
The vernier reading is 0.03 centimeters.
So, what is the final reading?
The final reading is 1.23 centimeters.
Let us see what is there. So, he's right, eh?
Yes.
So, we agree on that. Now, we also had a video clip the other day, and I want to see if we can read this.
So let's actually read that. The first big line.
Main scale. Or watch. I saw your hand.
Main scale reads 1.80 centimeters.
Coinciding mark for the final reading.
The coinciding mark is 0.08 centimeters.
That is good. From that, it's just right. If you look at it, you look for the coinciding mark. Now, in front of you, you have a test tube. You have a vernier caliper. Can we fill that undersheet? Read and record your readings. Read and record your readings. I want to see people reading and sharing. I want to see people reading and sharing. What are you finding as your diameter in this group? Which are you measuring? Internal diameter you got 1.23 centimeters. Let me also check. You make sure it, yes. Yeah, you are right. That is good. You are right. The rest, I hope you are getting on well. Now, what have we learned today? And someone just remind us. Yes, or cheer.
The parts of a vernier caliper and its function.
Give us the usage speaking.
This is the external jaws. They are used to measure the external diameter.
And which we've done. That's good. Next.
The internal jaws are used to measure the internal diameter.
Who is showing us the last use? He has done it well. Yes. Simeon.
We have the stem, which is used to measure the depth of an object.
That is good. So we've seen how to measure. We've done some measurement at once. Please later on, can you estimate the volume of that test tube from the information given? And then I want you people to go to the internet later on and check this website. You will get a lot of information, a lot of details on vernier calipers use. And please, can you go to Longhorn? Can you go to Longhorn page 30? There is also diagram number 11. Please make sure that you can read that vernier scale. Thank you for listening to me. You can go